The culprit has to be punished as per the law. We want justice for our beloved sister late Sumila Ronghangpi.
Hello my dear friends, this is a special request to all the viewers of today's video. Guys, we all know we have been standing strongly to protest against the heinous crime done to our sister, that Sumila Ronghangpi. Well, since from a day one, we are keeping our eyes to the case, but still no justice has been served. This is so sad. So I request personally to all the youngster YouTubers and my dear friends who are mostly active in social media to keep sharing the video shared by the influence, talented and concerned people regarding the case of our sister Sumila. So this is the only way to protest these days, because we all know due to this pandemic we cannot be gathering like before we are protesting. So this is the only way, through social media we will protest. And one thing guys, we will keep raising our voice to the case so that the government knows us, we are here still to fight for her. So we demand a capital punishment to the culprit, that is hanged to death. All we just did a justice, right? So we will fight, continue for it. And now, rotate your smartphone in a portrait mode and watch the video by the young talented lady to get justice for our sister Sumila.
Hello everyone, my name is Sumila Ronghangpi from West Karbi. Today, the reason why I am here is because I need to speak about on a very important matter. I'm here to share you all about a very tragic, sad and a very disturbing incident that took place in Raha under Nagong district. Our beloved sister late Sumila Ronghangpi, 12-year-old girl from West Karbi, who was working as a domestic help for the past 4 years in Raha Nagong district, was burned alive by the owner of the house. And also the Assam State Commission for Protection of Child Rights claimed that she was sexually assaulted by the accused before she was killed, and which resulted in her pregnancy. This was the story of one girl. But many cases like this have happened in the past, and they are still going on. But we don't know about it because they always go unreported. So I hope that this video can spread some awareness and it reaches to more and more people so that everybody gets to know about what is happening around. Many of the social organizations have come forward seeking justice for our beloved sister late Sumila Ronghangpi. Dear friends, let me clear up my words. The late sole employer were Assamese, but it doesn't mean that we blame the whole Assamese people. I live in Assam and I've got a huge Assamese friends and I love to be with them. So let's the whole nation ask immediate justice for our beloved sister late Sumila Ronghangpi. The culprit has to be punished as per the law. We want justice for our beloved sister late Sumila Ronghangpi. Before I conclude my words, I would love to request every one of you to please take care of yourself and your family during this pandemic. We want justice for our beloved sister late Sumila Ronghangpi. Thank you.